For each type of WAN-related problem, we have a specific action plan to deal with that problem. Let's explore these problems and their solutions. In the case of a faulty router interface card or cable, we use the show interface serial and show controllers commands. The show interface serial command is used to check errors and swap the card or cable if required. The show controllers command is used to check the microcode level, which we should upgrade if the version is too old. When the problem is a faulty CSU/DSU, we can use the show interfaces serial command to check for input errors, and if there are any, we can replace the CSU/DSU if required. In the case of a timing-related problem, we verify whether the SCTE terminal timing is enabled on the CSU/DSU. In addition, we verify whether the correct device is being used to generate the system clock. And additionally, we have to check the cable length and possibly lower the line speed. In the case of a congested serial line, we may need to reduce broadcast traffic, implement priority queuing, and check the application behavior by using a protocol analyzer. We may have to adjust the hold queues and buffer sizes and add more bandwidth. In the case of a dirty serial line, we'll use the show interface serial command to increase input errors. In case of situations where an unshielded cable runs too close to electromagnetic interference sources or EMI sources, we use the show interface serial command to increase input errors. We should also inspect cables and relocate or shield the cables if required. When we have a hardware failure in a serial link, we use the show interface serial command to confirm that the link is down. In addition, we isolate the problem by using loopback tests and a protocol analyzer. In the case of incorrect routing tables, we can use the show protocol route command to check the routes. In addition, we find the source for bad routes by checking the configuration and using a protocol analyzer. And finally, in the case of problems related to software, we can use the show buffers command to evaluate the buffer status. In addition, we can try to modify buffers to prevent dropped connections.